Hello, I'm Doug Hall over here at Peoria Ford. I'm just going to talk to you a minute today about the vehicles that I do own that I love. I do have a Ford Maverick. They're easy to drive, they get great gas mileage, and they're easy to get in and out of when you get a little bit older like me. I love how they handle on the highway. I love how they handle in the snow. And they're very convenient. You can still haul stuff in the back of your car, of your truck. And then I also have an F-150. Of course, they're bigger and they have a lot of the autonomous driving features, and that's what we love about it. And it's easy to get around in. Of course, if I'm out in the country, I can use the Maverick or the F-150 because both are very reliable in the dirt, the snow, or regular pavement.